Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 474. Okay, so here we are on Cash App, continuing to dollar cost average Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment section, then hop to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currently at $9,140, looking good over the last month or so. First things first, someone did send me Bitcoin. I'm not even sure how they got this Bitcoin address, but they sent me 0.0021 Bitcoin. So thank you, I appreciate that. That definitely helps me out. I think that's like $20 or so. But I want to move this Bitcoin to a different wallet so we can keep this experiment accurate. So we'll say 0.0021. Okay, so Bitcoin, send Bitcoin. 0.0021, withdraw, enter manually. Enter the address for the destination Bitcoin wallet. Paste. Next. Confirm the address. Next. Please confirm your withdrawal of 0.0021 BTC to the wallet. Confirm. Confirm your cash pin. You initiated a withdrawal of 0.0021 Bitcoin. Done. So I wonder if there's any fees on that. It doesn't seem like they notified me of any fees. But I did withdraw that money. It was about $20 at the time that they sent it. I don't know how much that was now. But like I said, Bitcoin doing pretty well over the last month, up 28%. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin now. So we're doing $7. Remember, we're buying $7 per week. Tap next. Scan my fingerprint. We buy every Friday just to make it easy so we're not in here buying every single day. Fee is 21 cents. So 21 divided by 7 is 3 cents per dollar. So it's a 3% fee, which is pretty high, but gotta do what you gotta do. Confirming this purchase. Tap done. Just like that, we've added $7 of Bitcoin. So we're now at $596.49. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. 596.46 divided by 474 days equals a 1.25x on our investment. So doing really well over the course of 474 days. I still think we're in a period where Bitcoin is just kind of moving sideways. You can see it's up and down, up about 15% over the past year. All time, you can see this area just continuing to go sideways. And this could take a long time to sort of stabilize after this huge rise we saw here. But that's it. That's today's update. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Just going to continue to dollar cost average on this series. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.